Alright guys, today we are in the kitchen, actually, with the Zanussi and the Electrolux, even though it's kind of hard to see that this is actually the Electrolux, but I totally scrapped the Electrolux because the drum was kind of unshaped, and you can see has been hitting the side here, so it was too expensive repair to fix that, so kind of like gave up. And then I hooked up the Zanussi again, so I had a washing machine that was working, but then the drum, I can feel it's loose here, and when it's spinning, it's really noticeable now. So just taking the top loose here. Let's see, have a look inside. I don't know if there is anything visible inside yet. I just put it out here. I had a new machine actually delivered to me yesterday and set up and all that stuff. I don't know how much I can see. There's nothing to see really. Oop. I can't see if it's but yeah, it's a kind of sad day. I will still keep the Zanussi. The Electrolux will be scrapped, or it actually is scrapped, but it will be thrown out now as it is. So yeah, I mean that's just life, right? When one machine breaks, the other one breaks. This Zanussi has had a tough life, and I'm planning on changing the bearings in it. So I will. That's not how you do. Okay. I will be changing the bearings in it. There we go. Because it's a cheap fix, and I will try to see if it's more successful than it was with the Electrolux. So now you've seen my old machine here in the kitchen, and you probably wonder what new machine did I get. You can probably already hear it. It's running out there in the bathroom. But let me show you. So here we are in the bathroom, and well, many of you already know that it's an AG. Actually, kind of like made by Electrolux, so that's kind of ironic. 7-facet series with the steamed function thing. I thought that was kind of neat when I'm using other shirts daily, and it has up to 8 kilo drum and 1400 RPM spin speed. It's a pretty neat machine. I really like it a lot. It's very whoops, turn on the light here. I'm just washing my jacket here and trying out the Pro Steam. And as you can tell, that's kind of runny, but if you look, the dryer is on top. The dryer has the same depth as the old Zanussi, but this washing machine is not very deep. That's kind of funny. It looks kind of ironic with the huge dryer on top. So yeah, this is the new machine, and hopefully this will last many years, so I don't have to change the machine again. I just decided to buy new instead of wasting money on used machines and trying to fix them all the time. I don't have the time to do all that, so new machine was the easiest way to go. It actually has a 20 minutes 3 kilo time saving quick program. That's pretty nice, and it got this time saving function here, which is also pretty nice. Overall, it's a nice machine. I tried it a little bit different programs. It still smells like new machine. It's a pretty nasty smell. And it has this function here where you should be able to hold these two buttons in, and you should be able to turn off the sound. But I haven't succeeded to do that yet, so it still beeps and all that annoying. It doesn't play a tune like the Samsung, but I really don't like it. I hate when they are beeping and all that. They should just be quiet. So yeah. Anyway, it seems to be doing a pretty good job. I have one concern, that the drum is a little loose already. It feels like it's loose in the shaft where it goes through the bearings. So I mean, I got 5 years warranty on this one, so if it breaks down, the people will come out and change the machine, or yeah. It's a pretty nice deal. Anyway, I will not be out of machine. They will just come out and replace it if something's wrong. So anyway, so I will try to do some washes in this one when I have the time. Right now I'm just showing you. Well, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and sorry for not uploading any more videos of the Zanussi, but now it's kind of like not possible, so I will try to save it and not use it anymore, so I'm not breaking it even more before I'm fixing it. So, and also one thing, when I chose this machine, I actually chose this machine because it has an inverter motor, it's a brushless motor, which is a lot more silence running. And turning off this light, that's annoying. And you know, I don't need a washing machine that's noisy, so that's neat. Also has this thing down here, which is actually pretty cool, but there is no hose to empty out the water. So just this plate here, you bend out, but it works pretty fine. You take this out and then the water comes running out. It has a red thing over here, which I'm not sure what it does. I tried pushing it up, but then it, you know, I think it's just a door unlocker. Maybe you have to pull it down to unlock the door. I don't know, but that's pretty neat. It still has that thing. So, and it has a water stop function, so if there's something wrong, it will stop, turn off the water going into the machine anyway. So let me just show the compartments here. It's pretty basic. I use this with the powder detergent. It also has this option to, liquid detergent, which is not that easy to get open, but so it works. And then I use some fabric softener. I'm just trying that out. That's a pretty simple design here. And of course we have the main wash, and we have the pre-wash, and then the main wash. And this drawer looks very similar to my Zanussi. So anyway, Pro Steam technology. So yeah. Anyway, videos to come. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.